Parents who refuse to have their children vaccinated may find it harder to find a pediatrician. A new survey reports that 51% of pediatric offices now have a policy of dismissing families who won't vaccinate their children, according to a survey published in the Journal of American Medical Association. More than a third of pediatricians personally dismissed families when parents refused childhood vaccinations, saying they needed to protect the health of the other families in their office. Others at risk of exposure include newborns and younger children who are not yet fully vaccinated, as well as those with chronic health conditions. It's a growing trend. In 2012, only 21% of the pediatricians reported dismissing families for vaccine refusal. These policies are more likely to occur in private practices than in community or hospital-based clinics and in health maintenance organization settings. Some pediatricians who keep unvaccinated families as clients say they do so in hopes of convincing the parents to have their children immunized. You'll find a link to information on this story when you click the News of Note tab on our homepage at yourhometownhealth.com.